Looks like you guys might be blocking some buses.
Well, right now we're trying to get through everything here. Yeah, we're going to move our vehicles.
Okay.
But we're dealing with you right now.
All right. Well, I will politely stand right over here while you do what you're doing.
Modi, can you move your vehicle so you can get through? Where's the boss at?
He's gonna take a video of everything. Like
I understand.
like he's scoping the place out to see where cameras are.
I understand that. If we could talk to your boss real quick, we can go from there. I'll walk in with you. My partner will stay. We'll be back.
All right.
Brian is what he said.
Boss man was the verbiage he used.
Oh.
Which I guess he's just going to explain to me again how I don't have a First Amendment right or something, and that, I don't know. Do you guys get much First Amendment training?
Yeah.
Okay. Normally you guys are pretty good. Like, I've had you guys shut people down on the phone before. Like, they call 911 and they're told he's allowed to do that, and then, you know, it ends there.
I get it.
You know? I was almost done here. I got all my footage I wanted. For the record, am I detained right now? And if I start walking away?
Right now, you're kind of free to leave
Okay.
until we're done with our investigation. Court for it, they're going to say, well, what's your background? What's your certification? Right?
I'm a journalist.
Well, but then you're not.
I'm displaying information.
But you're not a maintenance person. Not policy. I'm thinking about vehicle maintenance.
Well, I'm saying I don't have to be a vehicle maintenance person to. Hi.
How you doing, sir?
Good.
So I'm back again.
Okay, cool.
Have you tried to enter into the building at all?
The one door was locked. The lady offered to let me in. I told her no, not if it was locked.
Nobody.
Hi. If it's locked, I don't want to.
Offered to let you.
Yes.
No.
Yes, she was a Spanish lady.
Nobody.
He was a Spanish lady?
Say what?
You said he was a Spanish
She.
lady? She? Oh.
Okay. Nobody offered to let you in. I just checked.
I can beg to differ.
Okay. So I was just informed. So this building's secure. All of the vehicles, you can't touch. You can't do anything. You can film all you want, but if you start touching things,
Okay.
then we're gonna have to come back.
All right. I like it. That's fair.
They're requesting though that you leave. Because
I understand that.
You have no business here. None.
First Amendment business right here. Here, I'm sorry. My hands pockets. I don't know the rules.
You don't know the rules, but
Well, I mean,
you don't know the rules, but you're back here filming.
oh, I don't know. Well, I don't know what makes you nervous. I keep putting my hands in my pockets and then trying not to
I
because.
got a hand in my pocket
Okay,
right now.
all right. That's what I was talking about there. I'm not talking about these guys. They're nobody. They're.
So, just so you know, you are creating a little bit of a disturbance that we have to move our cars because we're talking to you
Okay.
to let the buses. So you're interfering with operations. Keep that in mind.
I didn't call you.
Doesn't matter if you didn't call me.
Well,
or
it
not.
kind of matters whether or not I'm
If we're
disturbing
out here-
operations if I'm not the one calling you.
I don't understand why you have to talk over me. I don't understand.
All right. You know, it's a bad habit.
Again, yep. See, you
Bad
just
habit.
keep going. They're requesting that you leave.
Okay.
You have no business here.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. If you attempt to go in the building, that's going to be considered trespassing.
Okay.
Entering without permission. Okay. Do you understand?
I hear that.
You hear that? No, I asked if you understand that.
I understand that.
Okay, very good. If you go
Explain to
ahead,
us,
if,
hold on, hold on. Can you explain to us what you understand?
You're not going to patronize me, sir.
No, I'm not.
Please
I just
don't.
want to know. Understand what. So if
I've
we
said
know-
that. I hear you. I understand.
okay.
Good enough.
Next thing, if you touch or anything of the property that's here, you are not allowed to do that. You
Mhm.
understand that?
I hear that.
Okay.
I
Very good.
understand that.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Can I have a CAD number and your card?
You were given my badge number and my name. You are more than welcome to call the substation.
All right, thank you. They left. I told you I was doing nothing wrong.
Didn't do anything right.
Public property. First Amendment. Bye-bye. Is this our tax dollars at work? You guys are getting paid to fucking watch me? Yeah?
Let me take a picture of you.
Any more poses?
Nope.
I like my picture. Was Brian gonna get me that information? I'm still waiting. Ooh, there we go. Trespass refusal, ID refusal. Oh, they haven't left. All right.
Just go back to the car.
They should know better by now.
I don't know.
They go just at the school. They don't need signs anywhere, and they see tons of videos.
Oh, I know. Yeah,
So where's this guy's car?
that's what we're gonna wait for. Well, at least I'm going to. You're on it. Are you with us this afternoon?
No.
Go home.
Oh, there he is. You know.
I know, he's right behind us.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah.
So I'll wait till.
I'm gonna clear it. I'll write it and
Sure.
yeah.
I'll wait until you clear it. Then.
Well, no, dude, just go home. He's gonna do this till everybody goes.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
All right.
5 minutes, maybe.
We got a security on the vehicle. We need a curfew.
Get a call. Fine. Done. 5 times when you primary on this. You show me clear. He's still updating and show you.
That's okay. What do you think? $505 for a follow-up at your station. 49045 Pontiac Trail.
Woo, we got some action there. I don't think I got that on camera though. He thought he was chasing me, and I'm chasing him again. There he is, sneaking around. Wow, I really got a bug in this guy's ass. Looks like we're gonna end this one here. Crazy time here in Walled Lake. Ain't in a hurry there, is he? Bet the next time I come back, they have a brand new sign.